Hello everyone, my name is Sambhu Pratap and we are here to talk about environment. Today, all over the world, we are organizing, celebrating on the Environment Day. The United Nations, after 1972, we used to organize each and every year this day as an Environment Day. So, why we need to conduct or organize, celebrate this as Environment Day? Because environment is our intrinsic matlab, basic part of life. Without environment we can't survive in this world, in this earth. So environment is one thing which support our life, which support in our sustainable living condition on the earth. So I think we should consider about the environment and try to improve this, because due to industrialization, automobile increasing automobile, and due to our mismanagement we had damaged a lot environment. So due to afforestation, water pollution, noise pollution, and like a space debris also, they all are hurting environment in a negative way. So I think we should consider about the environment so that we can improve the condition of environment and so on.
Give it to the next one.
So, hello everyone, good evening. Today we are celebrating Environment Day. So, what is the journey of Environment Day? The United Nations visit the world and see the humans are exploring nature very fast and very vast. So, the United Nations established Environment Day in 5 June 1972, but we are start enjoying Environment Day in 1973. This is the fifth birthday of the Environment Day. So we are 5th June to 16 June we are enjoying the Environment Day. We are celebrating our Environment Day because human are considered himself the master of everything that is present in the nature. He is exploring everything that present in the nature. So the main moral or goal of that day is to aware human of other species that present in the our environment. So what we know about an environment, what is the environment? That everything that present our surrounding is called environment. Okay, something like that, chair, tree, and everything that become in the part of environment. We are exploring everything, human are exploring everything. He doesn't care about other species, something like siege species, animals, and trees, forest. He doesn't aware or care about anything. He is exploring everything, and this exploiting everything, and this way is going to destroying the earth. So we know that about if we destroy the earth, so after some time earth destroyed humans. So the United Nations established Environment Day to aware humans about environment, how to save environment and how to protect environment, how to green our environment. So that type goals we are celebrating today Environment Day. Okay, thank you.
One more candidate is there.
Hello everyone, thank you so much again for this opportunity. My name is Siddharth Jaswal. Today we are celebrating Environment Day, and I think environment is a basic fundamental in units of our life. Without environment we cannot exist on earth. We take a pure form of water to environment, we take a pure form of foods with environment to environment, and we take airs and foods and waters to environment. In all over land, 2% are animals and 2% are animals and or humans are exist on earth, and 98% are all over worlds are environment, and most and humans are affect our environment so hardly, and environment is basic things to do our life so smooth, and we are living in this society.
That's great. You can conclude it.
So my two colleagues had raised 2 points that humans are using exploiting the resources of the earth in an unorganized structure. So they are not considering about the other species which are living on the earth. So apart from human being, there are billions of species living on the earth. They have the same right to live in the good environment, but due to the human activities, we are destroying everything, whether it is forest, whether it is the marine, whether it is lake or ponds. So we should consider about the other animals also. And the second one thing, the United Nations provided a theme, solution of plastic, because plastic is one of the major biggest problem in the environmental degradation, because it doesn't degrade easily and it takes around 400 to 500 years to degrade in the environment. So in each and every parts of the world you can find plastic in sometimes in packaging, sometimes in food industry as well. So we should consider about the plastic because we have to find any solution so that it not become a problem like ऐसा ना हो इसको हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएँ. वी कांट सॉल्व इन अपकमिंग ईयर, सो दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व मतलब करंटली, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नॉट गेटिंग लेट, वी आर नॉट बिकमिंग लेट. सो मतलब वी नीड टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन बिकॉज ऑफ प्लास्टिक, बिकॉज प्लास्टिक इज़ उसको सबसे ख़राब क्या होता है, बैड थिंग, वर्स्ट थिंग ऑन द अर्थ इन माई पर्सपेक्टिव. सो दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू.
Hello, so we are talking about plastic. So what is the plastic? Plastic was invented in 1856 by Alexander Parkes. So not plastic age is not too long. It is invented by 1856. We can see it hundreds or 200 years. So we are facing many of the problems with plastic. If plastic age is going long and long, 500 years and 1000 years, so plastic what can do? So there is plastic is also a big problem with our environment, because plastic contains many poisonous components like benzene, halogens and the bisphenol families component that are work as a poison. And not animals are eating poison, also humans are eating poison, because through animals and other food chain the plastic in the form of microplastic income human food chain. So this is the most important to aware about plastic and find a solution of plastic. So thank you so much.